Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I hope you can see it. Yeah, that spot there where is the light, they didn't drill a hole to put the ball to secure this. Okay, so I'm gonna use double tape there to secure this port. Then I'm gonna do that part over there. It's hard to get in there with the camera. Yeah, right there, you see it? Yeah, where the light is. That is missing a bolt to secure the plastic cover. So there should be a bolt with a knot. So we're gonna use double tape there. And the other part, I'm gonna try to show you here, is the one in the bottom. Let me see if I can put the camera there. You see that blue screw sticking out? Well, that is what is supposed to hold this, to put it in that hole. So it just go in there like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put that into that screw that is sticking out, and it might hold it. Okay, the next thing is I'm gonna use this double side tape 3M to put it on that upper corner on the left and on the right. Hopefully that will hold it. We'll see. Okay, I think I fixed it. I put double tape, where is it? Right there in the center of the screen. And also I put double tape on that side here. You see right in the center of the screen. So it's kind of thick. It's something like this. Double tape. This is a cushion piece of fabric or whatever. I cut in half and put this part is sticky, so I just put the double side tape on this side and put it in the hole. So now this is a little loose, but it doesn't make noise when it's bouncing. Only here if I hold it like this, and that is because the screw that, well, the bolt that is down there on this corner underneath here, I couldn't find anything better, so I'm gonna try this. It's gonna go in there and hopefully it will stop it, because I previously used one of those things that you use on the walls. Let me see if I find another one like this. So the bolt is attached to the chassis of the car, and then I use this blue, I forgot how to call it, what's the name on it, and then you just screw it into that bolt in between the plastic cover like that. But it's not enough, so I'm gonna find something else and see what happens. Also, I'm gonna try this. It's a piece of foam, but a little harder to push in. You can see I'm pushing in. So I already made the hole, and I'm gonna stick it in there and see if that holds better. If it doesn't, then I will try this little piece. All right, let's do it. All right, so I put that big piece of cushion with double side tape, so it's making it, it's filling up the cup basically. It won't fall. So now it moves, but it doesn't make noise. Alright, so now let's put the other parts together. Okay, one thing is that it's hard to put this back in place because the part in the back is already secure now to the wall in that corner. So you don't have much space to move that, so you can put this back in there. So it's gonna take some time to do it, but once you do it, it is secure. Alright, let's do the other part now. Okay, so now this part is secure. Once you put the other piece on the top, it will push down more and then we'll look for more sounds. Before installing this piece, I noticed that these little things, they have a lot of play. You can tell right there. So obviously it's gonna make noise. So for that, I'm gonna be using, here it is. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna cut this very thin layers and then squeeze it inside. Okay, so I did all of them except for one. Okay, this one already has something in there, as you can see, but it's this one that is loose. Now this is the last one that I have to fix. Okay, you see how much play it has. So when you put these pieces of foam right here, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Just squeeze it in there. And now it doesn't shake. Let's take my tools out. See, I'm shaking it and it doesn't make noise. Okay, so you have to put that on each one. Oh, it's hard to focus there. Yeah, right there. So you can see inside that piece. Same here. You just put that in there. All right, let's put it back on. Okay, so I put it back. There is one more there. Make sure that every piece is making contact. All right. Another thing that I want to fix is this. This piece is kind of loose here, so it's going to be making noise. You see. So I'm going to try to put something in between. Maybe it's this bracket here. Let's see, this bracket's in place. Those are good. It's just in this place here. So let me see if that will hold it. Yeah, much better. So I'm gonna put another one in the other side. It's kind of foam, but it's some kind of foam, but it's very thick and hard. So we're just gonna, I don't know if this is gonna last, how long, I don't know, but it's better than nothing. It's hard to do in there. Now let me see the clips on this side. Kind of loose there. Let me take this off. See how much play. Maybe I can put double tape on this side too before I put that. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, what I did is I used this soft weather foam. Okay, I put it on this side to secure that part so it's not touching the metal, and to make it a little tighter I put that piece in there. So I'm gonna put this one on the other side that I didn't do. Okay, now this I'm gonna put it like that so it won't be on the way when you bring this down. So I think that is going to absorb a lot of noise. Alright, I'm gonna take it to the road and see how much noise is still there to find. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye. Alright, here this road is really bad. Let's see what we hear. Much better, but I still hear something. I don't know if it's coming from under the seats or in the rear seat. Oh wow, look at that Cybertruck. That's cool. Okay, as you can tell, it's a lot quieter now. It's doing a better job. I don't hear a lot of rattle from the front. It's just some kind of noise from inside the vehicle in the cabin. So we'll check it out later, okay?